In this unit, we will talk about TiDB Cloud. Because of the distributed and decoupled design, TiDB cluster is elastic in nature. So the public cloud is a perfect container to host TiDB. TiDB Cloud or Database as a Service can use almost unlimited storage capacities and computing powers in the cloud. In the first unit, we explain why we should choose TiDB. TiDB has many advantages, including seamless horizontal scalability, high availability, and the disaster recovery ability. TiDB also supports standard SQL and transactions as a non-SQL database. TiDB's auto-sharding feature makes sharding transparent to your application. In addition to that, TiDB also has big data capacity with zero efforts. Zero efforts means you can ingest terabytes of data effectively by using SQL. You can serve real-time analytic queries in seconds by using standard SQL with the help of TiFlash, and no ETL is required. What I just pointed out are the TiDB characteristics. Now, we add additional advantages because we are in the cloud this time. TiDB Cloud is not just an on-premises TiDB deployed into the public cloud. It is a re-platformed database as a service designed specifically for the cloud. As a managed service, many ops and maintenance tasks are eliminated or automated. The database can store and retrieve any amount of data by horizontally scaling TiKV and TiFlash nodes to serve any level of request traffic cost effectively. By using TiDB Cloud, you are not locked in by the cloud service provider. We support both AWS and GCP as the underlying cloud providers right now. We provide consistent management interface and user experience no matter which provider you choose. Last but not least, security and compliance are always priority zero. TiDB Cloud is audited and certified by the third parties so you can get your business started quickly and safely. This diagram shows you the high-level overview of the service architecture of TiDB Cloud. In the cloud provider region, there is a TiDB Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC, where all TiDB nodes resides. TiDB central services are deployed independently along the dashboard, which allows you to access these services via internet after authentication and authorization. TiDB servers are decoupled by a lot of balancing services. Load balancing services in the cloud are highly available by default. Your application is deployed in another VPC. Through VPC peering connection provided by the cloud provider, there is no need to go all the way around the internet and get back again. In addition to that, you can see there are 3 AZs in the cloud provider region. AZ stands for Availability Zone. Each AZ has at least one data center, and the average distance between 2 AZs is about 20 to 30 kilometers. So you can easily achieve high availability and disaster recovery capability by spinning up the SQL layer and a storage layer nodes, which are the TiDB and TiKV nodes across AZs. For performance management, you can scale in or out component nodes by clicking the button on the cluster management console or calling the web service API. By the way, I have to mention that you have to take hotspot problems into considerations. We cover this topic in the course called TiDB Performance Tuning. Remember that performance issue caused by hotspot cannot be solved by singly scaling out your cluster. This concludes the TiDB architecture basics. See you in the next class.